A room with a view of the whole city. Fashion luxury, that's what he's got pretty.
Hello and welcome. Here is Hon, the best hotel tester. I have discovered a new hotel for you. And now I am presenting you a tour of the room. It offers good entertainment.
Flying first class across the sky, from New York straight to Dubai. Camera in hand, I'm set to go, capturing life in every show. They call me the traveler, living life so grand. Cocktail in hand, watching the world expand, from Paris to Tokyo. Yeah, it's all insane, living the crazy life, and I can't complain. Oh, every step is a show, lights and cameras ready, go. Style and a dream that never leaves. From the skies to hotels in every place, I'm living my life at my own pace. Luxury traveler, crossing the seas, with style and a dream that never leaves. From the skies to hotels in every place, I'm living my life at my own pace. Luxury traveler, I go cultures, thousand tastes, endless tours. From the jet to the yacht, the world shines around, capturing moments, I'm world renowned. Climbing high to the top, leaving marks where I go. With a post and a video, the world's watching my show. From glass suites to views on the open sea, this life's a dream, I don't wanna leave. Luxury traveler, crossing the seas with style and a dream that never leaves. From the skies to hotels in every place, I'm living my life in my own pace. Luxury traveler, crossing the seas, with style and a dream that never leaves. From the skies to hotels in every place, I'm living my life at my own pace. Luxury traveler, I go full speed. Sometimes I get lost in all of this shine, but the world is my home and it pulls me back fine. With each step I take, horizons stretch wide. A new destination, always more to find. Luxury traveler, crossing the seas, with style and a dream that never leaves. From the skies to hotels in every place, I'm living my life at my own pace. Luxury traveler, I go full speed. No clock I heed. Lamberg's via, you're a sight, and where he stays in style. A five-star home that's always worth his while. But the world calls to him, never too far. New York, Paris, Tokyo, he's ready to depart. With first-class flights, comfortable, champagne and service, a life that he loves, in search of the best. From rooms to fine wine, the Hon knows the path to every good sign. A room with style at each city's heart, every place he visits a royal part.
home he's got. Singapore skyline, Parisian charm, New York's lights by night, a dance so warm. Tokyo's rhythm, the city's beat, the hum knows the way, every flight complete. He tests the sweets from bed to bar, the finest design and views afar. At the vineyard of Saigon, his journey begins, but the horizon pulls him back in. A room with style at each city's heart, every place he visits a royal part. He reviews the world's hotels and airlines grand, each flight he takes a prize in hand. Above the clouds, the Hun flies free, every destination a true luxury. Five-star elegance wherever he roams, the Hun on the road feels right at.
And that's all. The room tour of a new interesting hotel. I hope you enjoyed it. Then kindly leave me a like. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And here is a special tip just for you. Make sure to activate the bell to receive updates on new videos, such as a hotel review, a room tour, or a new adventure. We appreciate your support and can't wait to have you back at HON, the top hotel tester. Thank you for watching and see you next time.